A China-Vietnam cross-border freight train departing from South China's Nanning ran for 11 hours and 25 minutes before it arrived in Dong, Vietnam early this week. It reduced the freight transportation time between the two cities by about 6 hours.
铁路部门在公铁接驳的结合部增加了叉车、专运车以及装卸工人。与过去相比，现在我们的装卸一个标准集装箱能够提高30%的时效。
In order to improve the efficiency of China-Vietnam freight train service, customs and railway departments have continuously optimized customs clearance procedures and transportation services to build a fast land corridor between China and ASEAN countries.
这趟跨境班列在南宁始发时有33节车厢，其中13节可乘组发往越南。列车到达萍乡站后，保留13节乘组挂运的快通模式车组，在萍乡海关、边防检查人员检查确认后，及时发往越南，有效减少班列的编组、送检等待时间，为出口企业节约物流成本。
Since it was put into operation in November 2017, the China-Vietnam cross-border freight train has made 834 trips. Among them, 147 trips have been made this year, up 26.5% from the same period last year.